Hello everyone, this is CA Dhanashree Saurabh. Today I am going to discuss with you recent topic of economy, that is fall in price of a crude oil, reason behind that and how it will impact India and general people like us. So let's start. As all of us are aware that recently price of a crude oil fell below $0 a barrel. This drastic fall in the price of crude oil happened first time in history. This negative price suggests instead of buyer going to pay seller are going to pay buyer along with a crude oil. Interestingly, the crude oil is used to called as black gold, as crude oil is extracted from land which is black in color, and gold because of its oil and value, and importantly it has immense economic value and what's relating to crude oil in history. So why this happened? The crude oil, which is comparable with a gold, the price of this crude oil fell below $0. Why this situation happened? And is this situation in US will going to impact in India? What do you think? I'm just trying to simplify the procedure and background regarding the crude oil. So let's start. With the help of laptop, I am going to describe it. Try to understand this recent topic with the help of PPT. So why crude oil prices are falling? So for that we need to understand what is exactly crude oil. Then crude oil is a liquid fuel located underground which is extracted through drilling. Oil is used for transportation, petroleum products, and main thing is a cheap source of energy. To measure a crude oil, there are two types of benchmark. One is WTI and other is Brent. So WTI is a West Texas Intermediate. It is just like if we have gold in 22 carats or 24 carats. So in a simple word, crude oil is compared with a gold. Just like we have a 22 carats gold and 24 carats gold. In crude oil, there are two types. That is, one is WTI and other is Brent. So now understand what is WTI and the Brent. WTI crude oil is of a very high quality because it is a lightweight and has a low sulfur content. For this reason, it is also called as light sweet crude oil. This properties is excellent for making a gasoline, and that's why is a major benchmark of a crude oil in Americas. Brent is a combination of crude oil from 15 different oil fields in the North Sea. It is a less light and sweet than WTI. It is it is refined in Northeast Europe and is the primary benchmark for crude oil in Europe or Africa. So in a simple word, just understand two things. The WTI is for America benchmark and Brent is a benchmark for Europe or Africa. Exact words of a news on a newspaper was, the United States oil markets created history on Monday when price of a WTI, which is the best quality of crude oil in the world, fell to minus $40.32 a barrel. Then the obvious question is, what is a barrel? Then barrel, in a simple word, a barrel is a big container used to store a liquid. It is a unit of volume of a crude oil. It is defined as a 42 US gallon, that is 159 liter. So in simple, barrel is nothing but a big tank which has a capacity of a 159 liter. Now the next question is that what has exactly happened so that oil prices reduced below the zero in US in a one day. For that we need to understand a little bit about the oil market and trading dynamics. So price of a crude oil depends upon a future market. That means future price of a crude oil for the month of May is finalized in April only. If you talk about WTI, oil is traded in a future contract in a New York Mercantile Exchange, where traders buy and sell monthly futures such as May, June, July and so on. It is just like a trading in a share market. So New York Mercantile Exchange is just like a SEBI in India. And so trading in crude oil is just simple as a trading in a share market. There are two type of traders. The one who is actually oil supplier and another is a speculator. So what exactly happened? Seller of such a future will have to deliver a barrel of crude oil at a contracted price in a contracted month, just as buyer will have to take delivery at a contracted date. On other side, speculator buy and sell contract with no intention of taking delivery of the oil. Speculator have to unwind their position on a contract expiry date. If they fail to do so, they will have to take physically delivery of a crude oil on the contracted date. So what had happened on Monday, that speculator who had taken large bets on May future started to unwind their position, and because they don't want a physical delivery of a crude oil, leading to a massive fall in the price of a crude oil. So in short, there are two type of trader in a market. The one is investment and another is speculation. Investment is actually interested in a purchase and sale of crude oil, whereas speculation have no real interest in a purchase or sale of crude oil. They just want to earn a margin between the fluctuation in the rates of a crude oil, and because of that speculator only, there was a massive fall in the price of crude oil. There is a simple rule in economy that price of a goods depends upon their demand and supply. If there is a high demand and low supply, then price will be high. If there is low demand and supply is in a extra quantity, then obviously price will be falling down. I will explain it with a very simple example. If you go to a sabji market and there is a huge quantities of tomato there, but you don't want to buy tomato, then what's happened? Supply is an extra large quantity, but demand for this is very low, and it will result in fall in price of tomato. The exact things happened in the US with relation to a crude oil. So it is acceptable that demand is low, supply is high. That's why prices of crude oil have fallen down. Then it should be fall till zero. Then why there is a negative fall in the price of a crude oil? Then there is an entry of coronavirus due to a COVID-19 pandemic situation. Almost all the world is under lockdown. The car, train, factory, industry all are closed. The utilization of crude oil is low, and because of that, the demand for crude oil is also low. If utilization low, demand is low, production, and if we compare with utilization and demand, production is in a high quantity. So that's why the price of a crude oil has fallen. That's why the price of a crude oil has fallen down. So let us understand everything by date. On 20th December 2019, investor expecting a future rally entered into a May crude oil WTI future contract in a New York Mercantile Exchange at a price of $40 per barrel. Per barrel, it means 159-liter container with a settlement expiry date of 20 April 2020. I have already explained you. Price of a crude oil depends upon a future market. The person who are mostly trading in a share market, they know the prices of share fluctuation depends upon a news. Same thing happened with a future contract of a crude oil. So on 11 March 2020, the WHO, that is World Health Organization, declared COVID-19 a pandemic situation and world almost under lockdown. And consequently, the demand for petrol, diesel, crude oil has fallen. So on 20th April 2020, the settlement expiry date, nobody wanted oil right now. The producer didn't want it, the refiner won't touch it, and the consumer have no need for it. Now the practical problem facing by America is storage of a oil, that oil company don't have enough space to store it. With rising inventory of oil, it is challenge before US to find out a space to store more oil. That's why America want to rid of crude oil by falling down the price of crude oil, so that this tank can be used to refill the extra available oil here. It is noted that despite fall in May future, June future continue to trade above $20. The next question arises that why oil company don't stop to manufacture or extract the oil. It is very natural that if a company don't have enough space to store oil, then why a company don't stop to manufacture oil? uh, just like we shut just like we shut off the water pump when water tank is full, then my friend, it's not a easy to just off the motor button. If we stop manufacturing or extracting a crude oil, it is become very difficult or expensive to restart it again. If we compare with a free oil distribution that is as a negative price of a crude oil, it would be better than stop manufacturing and restart crude oil. So it will not a beneficial impact of drastic falling crude oil prices on Indian economy. We try to understand by three steps. One is fuel price, disinvestment, and the oil industry. The fuel price. Well, all of us are hoping that as the future contracts in crude oil are trading at negative futures currently, and with drastic fall in the demand for petrol and diesel during the lockdown period, the prices for petrol and diesel would also fall drastically, and we may be able to fill in our cars tank with diesel and petrol free of cost. However, it will not happen as the central and state government are in a need of finance and funds this COVID-19 outbreak with their commitment to provide free cooking gas refill to about 83 million people till the end of June, and this refill package of about 1.70 lakh crore. So practically speaking, the impact of drastic fall in crude oil on India is nothing. Second is disinvestment. So the government was expecting generation of substantial finance from this investment of a state-owned Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, that is BPCL, this financial year. But now, after this drastic collapse in a demand for a petrol diesel due to coronavirus, the WTI crude oil, this big ticket disinvestment is almost off the table. In short, demand for petrol and diesel remains too lower even after the lockdown. Question arises that if prices of a crude oil has fallen negatively, so we can buy at a very cheap rate and we will sell it at a higher rate. Then answer of this question is again no, because if we add a transportation cost, then again it will be an expensive option. And it is noted that oil is bought and sold in dollar only. Now due to the lockdown, export has stopped. Now we are not earning a dollar. US dollar is getting stronger, make oil expensive to buy in a country outside. Hope this will help you. Please do like, share, subscribe. Stay in home, be safe, be connected. Thank you.